Today we're going to be doing a slime review. This is from Target, and it's green slime. I really like it. It's just so nice. And then we have this slime. It's called Dolphin Dance. Just let me open it. This one's always hard to open and close. And then, yeah, it's just like a sparkly one. It's blue sparkles. Yeah, it's hard to close because it's in a metal container and the metal bends. I'll just leave that to the side. I'll close it later. Then we have this yellow silk strain party, it's called. It's a different type of slime, so it doesn't stretch that well. And then we have this purple slime that I made. Got to the side. Just gotta close it so it doesn't dry out, because no one likes dry slime. I just hear my sister coughing. She has a cough. We got Unicorn Sparkle. It's really good slime. It has these star sparkles. Look, star sparkles, and it's like a color shifting purple. It's really pretty. And I got it from Dollar Tree. And this is Bounce Blast. This one I got from Target. And I got this. See, it's a floam. And yeah, that's a floam. This is some slime that I made. So we'll get it out of the bag. Slime sticks to the bag all the time. It's really stretchy. Some super sand. I don't want to take it out because it's messy. Some already a lot on my floor. We got this green water slime, Sparkle Madness. It's really pretty. There's a ton of sparkles in it. There are jiggles. Okay, we got this one. I love it because it has a lot of pearls. Look at the pearls. Like, literally, look at that. That's so beautiful. And yeah, we got some of this slime I made. has a ton of beads in it because I added my beads from my house into it. And we got this one I also made. I just put it in a container. Just squish this in the container. It's a little too big for the container. And then we got this is called Dazzle Collection. This one's called Confetti Craze. Look, it's so stretchy. I love because it's so stretchy. And the color is beautiful. It's like a really beautiful teal. And so that is all for the video. So, bye. Hope you enjoyed it. Please, I will do another slime review if you like and subscribe.